Okay, second tutorial right here. Let's look at how to make an inversion question. So here you see that we have used the method for this exercise using SOK in front of each of the statements, right? Sometimes we put SOK when it starts with a vowel, when the word that follows starts with a vowel, like il, I is a vowel, right? So we put SOK. But now we're going to want to do inversion. So it's important that you locate your verbs in these questions. So parler is the verb, étudier is the verb, voyage is the verb, tu is the verb, am is the verb for the first four here. No problem, right? Then the subject is vous, and then here it's il, and then here it's il in the plural, and here it's tu. Okay? So basically what you have to do for these first four, it's easy. You just have to invert the subject and verb. So you start with the verb, parler, okay? And then you hyphenate that with the subject, vous, okay? And then the rest, it doesn't change. Español. Okay, parlez-vous espagnol? Do you speak Spanish? That's the question right here. Right here, make sure that you be careful with that one. Okay, étudier. You start with that. Let's see. Oops. Let's do a capital here. Étudier, accent aigu. T-U-D-I-E. Okay. Now the subject we said is il, right? But remember, if you see étudier, il doesn't sound too good. So we want to hyphenate that with a T, hyphenate it with an il, and then finish it with a Paris just without a problem. Okay. When you get to the next two, it should be just fine. So this happens right here only with the subject il and the subject elle in the singular, il or elle. Okay. Now when you come to this one, that's a little bit more complicated because this statement right here does not contain a pronoun, and I told you in the previous tutorial that a noun cannot be inverted with a subject. So you start with a noun right here. Okay, start with a noun. Le professeur. Okay, and then you put your verb parle, and then the inversion is going to come next. Now it's going to be inverted with whatever professeur can be replaced with. What's the pronoun that can replace the teacher? It's he, right? He in French is il, so it's going to be il right here. But again, watch out, it's not parle-il, but parle-t-il. We want that to sound nice and smooth, and then finish the question with anglais. Okay, same thing will happen right here. Since you have les étudiants instead of the pronoun, you start with les étudiants, and then after that you're gonna put m. Okay, you start with les étudiants. I won't write it. You write it yourself, and then the verb is m. Okay, like this. And then after this, what pronoun will replace les étudiants? Les étudiants is the students, so the pronoun would be they. What's the word for they in French? It's il, I-L-S, like this. No need for the T right here because you already have a T right here. It sounds very nice. Les étudiants aiment-ils dessiner? That would be the way to go. So that's about it for this one. I will not give you all the answers. Try it and give me a call or an email if you need more help. Alright? See you in a bit.